Hey y'all, it's Luke from Ro-Berg Concrete Repair. Today we will be diving into the 3 visual signs that your bulkhead might be failing. First, look for voids and sinkholes. The loss of backfill soil creates depressions and voids behind the bulkhead. This is caused by erosion and piping, and it's a clear sign of trouble. Second, watch for leaks and cracks. Water seeping through joints or fractures in the wall, along with cracks in concrete, wood, or steel, indicates structural stress and erosion. Finally, check for leaning or bowing. A bulkhead that tilts or bows outward away from the land suggests a loss of support, excessive pressure, or a failure of the anchor systems. Don't wait until it's too late. Protect your coastline with early detection. Early detection is key. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we'll see you next time.